Thank you, Brandon. Out to our Weather Authority meteorologist Violet Skyber on the weather deck. And Violet, we are in the thick of things of fall. It feels that way.
Yeah, honestly, a nice warm burger sounds really good right now. I might go join Brandon and step out of this cold weather. It's a bit chilly out here on the weather deck, and it's going to be staying that way as we go through the rest of this week, this weekend, even heading into next week. But we're also keeping an eye on things down south. We have a look at your latest tropical update as we continue to monitor Tropical Storm Melissa, which right now sits just south of Cuba and the Dominican Republic at tropical storm strength with current wind speeds of 50 miles per hour. Notice, though, it's only moving west-northwest at 2 miles per hour. That's pretty much as fast as I'm walking right now. 2 miles per hour. It is barely moving. But this thing is expected to rapidly intensify later on this weekend to a major hurricane. It remains tropical storm strength for tomorrow, Friday, even into early Saturday. It's not until Saturday afternoon that it intensifies to a Category 1, then quickly to a Category 3 on Sunday, potentially a Category 4 come Monday. And notice, it really does not move much. It's expected to be a major hurricane as it's directly over Jamaica, so that will be one of the hardest hit areas from this system. So we'll have to keep an eye on it as it could continue to linger further west, maybe even approach the Yucatan Peninsula, maybe even the Gulf of America as well. Here at home, we're dealing with our own wet weather system. This is bringing us a batch of showers for this evening, then some lake effect rain developing behind this, along with cool and breezy conditions for this week. Right now, we're in the lower 50s. We've got some light rain over Syracuse and for areas further west. This is all building in from west to east along that short wave. So timing this out with your future cast. Right now, the showers are moving east out towards Rome and Utica, so we'll be blanketing the region this evening. Definitely want the umbrella if you're heading out. And the rain will be on and off up until about 2 or 3 in the morning. Once that wave of showers exits, we get some lake effect developing later on at night for the North Country only as we have a strong west wind. It stays up there into sunrise tomorrow and for the first half of Thursday. Towards midday is when it will be along the thruway and in Syracuse, reaching the southern tier for the afternoon to evening hours. Eventually, come Thursday night is when the winds lighten up and those lake effect showers taper off. However, looking ahead to Friday at sunrise is when the winds start to pick back up and we'll get lake effect rain redeveloping once again for the North Country, eventually dropping south into central New York, pretty much a repeat of Thursday. Midday, it'll be along the thruway. In the afternoon, dropping south of the thruway. But the winds become a lot lighter Friday evening, and the rain all eventually tapers off. And that's pretty much our only batch of rain as we go through this week. Things will dry out heading into the weekend, but still staying cool. Highs will be in the lower 50s every single day. Overnights dropping from the 40s down into the 30s, getting especially cold come Sunday night, in the 20s for some countryside locations. Plus, it will be mostly cloudy on Saturday, chance for a spotty sprinkle, but mainly dry. Partly sunny on Sunday, then mostly sunny for Monday and Tuesday. Risk for rain late on Wednesday. A live look now from our Stanley-Law Skywatch Regency Tower camera. A rather gloomy evening. Prepare for fall. Make sure to dress warm if you're heading out this evening or early tomorrow morning. Back inside.